Good morning everyone, welcome back. Like, subscribe, and let's dive in. So today we are looking dot with hat. So dot with hat, guys, is trading around 86 cents. So why I'm doing this video, because we are on the support line. So right now you see from here around 82 cents, that's where it let's call around 81 cents, that is our dip. And we have double bottom, but right now we have like bottom, and the highest is 1.3, which is, if you want to know how many percentage from here, you put from here to here, it's around 63%. So we are on between the area of 63%, and in case right now if you are not going to bounces around this area, which is we may be bounce, but by now remember this is our, and our next resistance will be starting from here, which is 1.5, and that is almost if again you want to ask me how many percentage. So if this thing will go on to bounce from this 86 cents to this resistance, which is our fastest resistance on the daily, will be 30%. Yeah, will be 30%. So we are on the, we may be bouncing, but now let's bring our MACD momentum is pointing upside. You see this one. So if this one will not be holding, what will be our next support now? So right now we have only one support by now, and if that no support is going to hold, we are going all the way to this area, which it was around 62 cents, and that will be dropped at least more than 20 something percent. To here would be drop another 26%, or you push 29%, or so when we break $140, or I will call 1.4, it's going to be very massive. And let's dive in, let's go in where smart money. So we are watching where smart money is buying and where smart money is selling. So at the same time we have been on this uptrend channels, which is started all the way from 31 cents. Remember, so we didn't hold. You see this one, guys. So I hope you see what I'm doing right now here. So we have trading between this area, so I can pull like this, because this it was another semi uptrend. So we have been trying this on weekly, guys, so don't forget this on weekly. And this week, last week we have been holding on this trend, but this week we open this area. Are we going to drop more downside? I will not tell you if you are going to drop down. So remember, we are watching this MACD is still, you see this lines is still below on zero, which is in quotes WIF has not yet reached on really breakout on weekly. We have been, this move you see over here is moving, it was only for a daily, but even though we have already above 300% since then. So when you see the uptrend line that I draw with you some few minutes, if you want to do some correction to be specifically here, like we bounced from here around 64 cents, and then we bounces here, but you see this thing didn't, almost closing here, and they close here, like we are on that indecision kind of here. We are watching today. Remember, I've already told you this is our support, and let me hide this one, so I'll come to check later. So I've already hide that one. So this is a chart, and now we are going the 4-hour chart to see what the short time frame is doing. Are we going to bounce from this area or no? another interesting on 4-hour here. We have on this again, we are on this you see this double top, so the sell-off started from 106. Some people took profit here. We are on this downtrend channel. That's our resistance right now that we have already put it down, and you put this on like a support. So we have been on this trend line. On market down here, you see still on zero. We need something like this one. You see this one, it was 100% will push, but once we come zero on, this was up a dead pounds cut. But again, nothing is a financial advice here. Remember, in short, we are looking mostly on this smart money, so around 82 cents to 81 cents, and another closer to around 77 cents. So those are our important zones to watch. For me, you can buy from here. See, if you're trying to pull out $1,000, you can start with the 300 and see how the momentum, if you show to move upside, well and good. And guys, today I've been going to do on only one coin, and I will not do on most coins, so do it with that. Yeah, so we have this resistance where you see some sellers getting in, so this is 45 minutes and around 77 cents, 0.878, that will be, and then we break there. If we break from this area, we are going all the way to 92 cents, where we can quote another resistance on MACD. We have some buy, and it's good to buy from this level, guys. So to get at least if you have been a day trader, you can get this percentage. You got from up here, or you got from 85 cents, you've got from 75 cents. So you are expecting this thing, so already pushing like 3%, but probably you can push to 10% on today evening. Guys, thanks so much, and see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and we can see what's going on.